Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: admin access, a running game, and an overlay tool installed. Open the game and switch to windowed or borderless if overlays won't show. Then launch your chosen monitor app, MSI Afterburner or GeForce Experience, so the overlay can attach. Once done, enable the basic FPS counter setting in the tool. This initializes the data stream. Make sure your OS notifications or privacy settings aren't blocking overlays before moving on. You now configure the overlay itself. Open the Tools in-game overlay menu and pick a screen corner that won't obstruct HUD elements. Set the sampling rate and enable frame time or 1% lows if you need deeper insight. Choose readable colors and a compact font size, then assign a hotkey to toggle the overlay quickly. Once configured, return to the game and verify the counter updates in real time. Make small adjustments until it's visible but unobtrusive. Finish by enabling logging or recording if you want to analyze performance later, and run a short play session to capture representative FPS data. If the overlay doesn't appear, run the game and monitoring tool as admin or switch compatibility modes. Make sure anti-cheat doesn't block overlays. Update GPU drivers and disable full-screen optimizations if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if all else fails, disable overlays from other apps and restart both the tool and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.